Hi guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. I have had so many requests to film a wash day video, but I have been so apprehensive because it would involve me filming myself in the shower and I wasn't sure how I felt about that, but I've caved. I am going to deliver and give you guys exactly what you want. There's nothing special about my wash day. It's really simple, it's not excessive, there aren't a lot of products involved. I've been using the Organics 2-in-1 anti-dandruff shampoo. If you guys remember, my scalp is very dandruff prone, and other than that I really chose this shampoo for an economical reason because there's a lot of shampoo. It promises over 150 washes, and that's just what the story is with this. I've recently discovered the Jabu Moisture Shampoo and I'm super excited to try this out because Jabu specializes in products for locks, so I believe or would hope that the products that they curate are formulated to take care of my hair and not cause any issues. So this is going to be the shampoo that I'm going to be using, and later on I'll give you feedback on what my thoughts are. But so far I've liked all of the products that I used within their range. I've used their twisting gel, I've used their beeswax, and I've been so in love, so I'm not expecting anything less from this. It's pretty cloudy today, and even though I have a ring light to support the light, my light is probably gonna fluctuate as the sun goes in and out of the clouds. I'm really sorry about that. Yeah, sorry. The first thing that I like doing before I wash my hair is to give it a good shake to get rid of any loose fibers or dust that might be in there and can easily come out with a shake.
To begin your washing process, you want to drench your hair in water to make sure that the shampoo lathers properly.
Phew, I'm done with the wash. That was honestly really nerve-wracking, but I enjoyed it nonetheless. It was really fun. So here's what I think about the shampoo. Point blank, I love it. I love it because my hair feels very clean, but at the same time it doesn't feel dry, so it's almost as if it removed all the grime and the dirt that was in my hair and added a layer of moisture and nutrients to replenish the hair. It said to deep clean, that it did. Soften, I don't know if it did, but my hair does feel soft, but that could also be because it is currently damp and conditions. Yeah, I don't know how I would tell if my hair was properly conditioned, to be honest. I don't usually use conditioner on my hair. I don't think that conditioner is a good product to use for locks because it delays the process of locking. So yeah, I don't know what to make of that point, but over and above that, I love it. My con though for this would be that I wish it was in a bigger bottle, because the shampoo that I've been using is in a 1 liter bottle. So I know that I have shampoo for days and for months, whereas this is only 250 milliliters. I think this cost around 46 rand and this is at 36. So economically not the one, but as far as it delivering on its purpose, yeah, I love it. I realized that it looked like the shampoo didn't lather that much on camera, but I promise you it does. And I think the reason why it didn't appear so is because I didn't apply a lot at once. I was sort of building up. This is just my process, but I know a lot of people just throw on like heaps and heaps and heaps of shampoo and then wash it all off. I work through it, you know. Yeah, so don't get discouraged. It does leather. It didn't leather just because of the way that I was using it, but yeah, I think this is probably going to be my go-to. And if they, you know, introduce it in a bigger bottle, it'll be a keep for me, no doubt. So now that my hair is clean, it's still damp, I'm going to oil and moisturize. I'm currently loving the healthy hair oil that I got from the World of Locs. I like it because it has all of the oils that I've been using in my past videos in one, and also it smells so divine. So it has grapeseed oil, which works very well as a sealant, jojoba, which nourishes hair, argan oil also nourishes hair, and olive oil also a sealant. I'm going to use this on my scalp and on my locks. Oh, this oil smells so amazing, you guys. It's really phenomenal. I'm also going to use the Jabu stone braiding spade and anti-itching moisture lock for African locks, braids and dry hair. So I've been very skeptical about using hairsprays on my locks, but after I went to the salon, the Jabu stone salon, and they applied this after crocheting my hair, my scalp felt so good and my hair felt so amazing that I just had to get it for myself. I'm going to be giving it a test run on the long term, but the first time experience was just amazing. And that's it. Like I said at the beginning, my wash day routine is very simple, very hassle free, not complicated at all. I don't hair dry my hair.
I don't use a hairdryer on my hair, I just let it air dry.
Once again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to hit the thumbs up and leave some comments for me down below. Let me know what your wash routine is like, what products you use, and if you have any questions for me, I would be more than happy to answer them in the comment section. Until next time, I love you guys so much. Bye.